The Lobito Atlantic Railway connects Zambia and the Democratic Republic of Congo to Angola's port of Lobito. The signing of its first two long-term commercial deals set off a new era for the transport of minerals from Africa's copper belt to Port of Lobito for export.
It's very important to have this corridor operating properly because it's opening another gateway and it will assist and cover the expansion of the volumes of export and import for this region, copper belt region. So it makes sense, of course, to have this kind of metals transported by rail rather than road transport.
Copper and cobalt mined in Zambia and the DRC usually make the long haul to Mozambique and South Africa before being loaded onto ships. A direct link to the port speeds up transit times and allows for a lower carbon route to overseas markets.
If I ship 1 ton by a rail, it emits 10% of carbon less of carbon rather than 100% with a truck. So it's 1/10 of truck emission. So it's much more environmental effective. The other good advantage of the rail is that it is much more cost effective, and it's easier to ship a big flow of cargo through rail than through roads.
Kamoa-Kakula, a joint venture between Canada's Ivanhoe Mines, China's Xinjiang Mining and the DRC, will transport up to 240,000 tons of copper products a year along the route. Trafigura's capacity will be almost double that. The trade corridor also opens up significant opportunities for other sectors in the copper belt.
It will also help locally to assist into the development of other key sectors like the agriculture one and the manufacturing and processing one. So having said that, we believe that it's an important step towards the direction that the Angolan government is moving in the sense of diversification of its economy. And definitely the numbers of employment, of jobs that are going to be created, which is also very important.
The Lobito corridor is fast becoming one of the most important trade routes for minerals critical to the green transition. The port is eyeing 1 million tons of export capacity as it undergoes a massive facelift over the next 2 years. It falls in line with the continent's ambition to create an easier passage for trade, both internally and externally. Julie Shire, CGTN, Cape Town.